How you doing? Hey, Allison.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Another day.
Oh, okay. Here we are. It's 11:28 on a Sunday morning, and it is pretty bad out here as far as the snow piling up. Get a better look at it. It's sunny. The weather, it's around 24, 25 degrees here. There's the mall here. This is the main area here in the mall. So this is the main drive in the mall. Wow. Well, considering how much snow fell, it's amazing how these guys in the mall picked up a lot of the snow. They used the big tractors that you see in, well, big construction sites. Look at the pile of snow there. Wow. That's a pretty big pile. Oh. A lot of these drifts. Wow. I'm a little more refreshed myself right now. Not a cloud in the sky. And although the hotel is back there, this morning when I looked out the window, there were quite a few people going to the mall walking, and then as like me, they stayed at the hotel if they were working in the mall. Most of them were managers. The road is actually pretty clear, but it's very icy because it froze last night. It was really, really cold. It went down to 10, 11 degrees last night. You can see the wind is blowing a little bit here. Oh, some birds. Well, I didn't catch them very well. But look at a mountain. Look at a mountain of snow over there. To give you an idea, there's Texas de Brazil's truck right behind that mountain of snow, and you can barely see it. And this is the snow they've been clearing off, and you see those mountains of snow all over this parking lot. So you can imagine, I haven't been home in a couple of days because I know that there's going to be some snow back home in the residential area, and I just don't know if there's a place for me to park, or even if the snow has been removed. They did a pretty good job last time in the area of just getting a path down there, but as far as parking, you couldn't park because that's where they put the snow. So look at that. Give you an idea. That is our truck, and it is snowed in quite well over there. Look at the size of that. Look at how high that snowbound is. Man, that has got to be 14, 15 feet high at the top. That is just incredible. You know? About as high as that truck there. Wow. Look at this here. That over there. Wow, that is some sight. Oh all of that snow. The height on that is just incredible. Gonna take this truck hopefully tomorrow, go down to Richmond, and I'll be picking up some stuff for the restaurant. Wow. Yeah. I guess I gotta basically shovel that out today. That's my job today, to shovel that out. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. There's a car in the distance. Whose car might that be? I believe that's mine. And for a mall that's supposed to be opening in less than a half an hour, there isn't a whole lot of cars here. I wonder if that means there isn't a whole lot of employees. So, wow. Look at this. That's just an enormous hill of snow. Oh man. Wow. And there's my car. Yep. There's my car. Look at a snowbank here. So it goes all the way down there. But there's my car. I don't know how I'm going to get... That's a lot of shoveling. Wow. Got to shovel all that out. Man. Wow. I'm not looking forward to that. Still a lot of snow over here. Like I said, the mall did do a great job. Look at that. They cleared out the parking lot quite well. Of course, there's snowbanks where they had to put the snow. But nonetheless, they did a pretty good job. Those bulldozers, even the operators, they worked overtime. And those are actually nice greenery, little shrubs around the mall here, totally covered. Totally covered. And there's Texas de Brazil here. We're coming up to it right now. Look at that. You see some blacktop and pavement here, so they've done a pretty good job of clearing this. Now, look at this. Oh my God. This is the back part of this. Wow. Wow. Look at that. This is the back door that we go through. Look at this. This is a fire exit for Macy's. As you can see here, it says fire exit, do not block. Well, that's about 3 to 4 feet of snow on that door. Plus it goes out all the way over here. So look at how high the snow is. Whoa. It's a lot. But the sidewalk's clear. The mall has done an incredible job keeping this really clear. Oh. This is our entrance, so it's pretty clear. What happened to our rug? Let me see here. Oh, that's my rug. Anyway, this is the entrance. Not bad. So, They cleared most of it. I gotta hand it to them all. They did a pretty good job. But look at our torches. Our torches look like huge snow cones. Oh, look at the Texas de Brazil sign, all covered with snow. Wow. Okay, I'm going to go inside and check it out. And thank you very much for watching.